Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. So in this class, we'll be discussing about the border width. So now the border width property can have from 1 to 4 values. Now that means that you can decide to change the width of the left hand side of the border. You can decide to change the width of the right hand side of the border. You can decide to change the width of the bottom line of the border. You can decide to change the width of the top right side of the border. So now let me show you how you can go about that. So we already have our class here, which is the border. So let's no border. So now let's see. So I will say border, which is what, let me make it solid. Now you see we have the solid border around the tech guy. So now let me change the border width so that you can see the border width. Now let me change the border width so I can say border width should be 20 pixels. That is 20 pixels. Don't worry, you're going to see the changes now. Then I will say 5 pixels. Now you see, now this means that the border width for the top and bottom is 20 pixels each, and while the border width for the left and right is 5 pixels each. So let me make a note. And say, okay, that's my better code. So now let me say 20 pixels for the top and bottom, while 5 pixels for the right and left. So now this is the meaning of what we have here. So 20 pixels for the top and bottom, while 5 pixels for the left and right. So now let me show you some other aspect of it where you can add the border width. So for example, let me add another value here to make it more. So let me say 10 pixels. So now by adding 10 pixels here, now this means that for the top it is 20 pixels, while for the left and right it is 5 pixels for the left and right, while for the bottom it is 10 pixels. Now let me add another value for you to see. Let me add 10 pixels. Now as you can see, now this means that from the top it is 20 pixels, that's why it is very wide. Now the bottom it is 10 pixels, then the right, which is the 10 here, is the 10 pixels, then while the left is the 10 pixels, then while the right is the 5 pixels. So that's how you can make use of the border width